Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. As the description says, we're gonna be doing some shrimp fried rice. My rice already boiling, so my rice already on fire. Yeah, shrimp fried rice. Our ingredients, some raw shrimp, mixed vegetables, and of course some rice. Now I like to use raw shrimp because when you use the already cooked shrimp, it's like overcooking the shrimp. So my shrimp is raw, and the big shrimp, I don't like small shrimp, I just cut it up small. But yeah, nice big fat shrimps, and I cut it up into little squares. Stay tuned. Yeah, shrimp fried rice, waiting for the rice to boil. Our mixed veg is here, our shrimp is here, and we're gonna add a little bit of coconut milk in the rice. Yeah, instead of butter, oil, and add some coconut milk. Probably coconut flavored shrimp fried rice. Yeah. My fried rice. My shrimp fried rice. She want to eat my shrimp fried rice. My shrimp fried rice. My shrimp fried rice. She want to eat my shrimp fried rice. Yeah. Shrimp fried rice. Lucian in the kitchen. Stay tuned, yeah? I'm gonna give this a little seasoning. You already know, probably some green seasoning, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my rice is cooked and drained, and here I have some butter melting. Yep, some butter. I have some butter melting. My shrimp seasoned. Yeah, I'm gonna throw that in. So I told you guys I want my shrimp raw. I like it raw. That way I can cook it properly. Turn on my heat. Cook my shrimp up in some butter. Yeah, Lucian in the kitchen. Stay tuned, We want the shrimp to be al dente. We don't want the shrimp to be rubbery, so raw shrimp. As you can see, some big boys. Cut it up into chunks, fried in the butter. Let that do its thing. Shrimp fried rice. I think I didn't put enough shrimp. It should be alright. I had 2 packs of shrimp, but I decided to use 1. I didn't want to cook a lot of stuff, so. But yeah, shrimp fried rice. My shrimp's gonna fry in some butter. As you can see, it's already getting there. See? Shrimp is cooking. Rice is waiting. The shrimp was waiting for the rice. Now the rice is waiting for the shrimp. And the veggies are waiting too. Yeah? Veggies and shrimp were waiting for rice. Now rice is waiting for shrimp, and veggies is waiting for shrimp. Oh, you're almost there, you see? Almost there. We're not gonna cook it too much so it's all rubbery in there. Nice and al dente, Remember that. If you're using already cooked shrimp, then you're gonna add it last to the mix. But now, it's better that way. Shrimp gets some flavor, some seasoning, Boom. Shrimp is ready. Ready. Don't overcook your shrimp. Huh? Gonna add my mixed vegetables. Mix that in. Stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Shrimp fried rice. Welcome back again. Look, you guys want to see a magic trick? I added my rice to the pot and everything disappeared. The shrimp disappeared. The mixed vegetable disappeared. I'll show you some magic, yeah? Oopsie. Too high. Magic trick. See, I was trying to show you guys my magic trick, and I had my pan on high. I almost burned it. Boom. Mix it all up. Shrimp fried rice. My magic trick put me in a little jammy jam, so I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. Yeah, shrimp fried rice. I do not have a wok. If I had a wok, you know, I'd be like, but I don't have a wok. Maybe in the future we can get a wok, you know, and do proper fried rice. This is good enough for me. Shrimp fried rice, ladies and gentlemen. Shrimp fried rice. You got that shrimp right there. Got some mixed vegetables. No, I'm not gonna add egg. I'm not that professional. You know, nice and mixed. Stir it all up nice and even. And we're almost good to go. See? 1 spoon, shrimp. Another spoon, shrimp. 1 spoon, shrimp, you know. Shrimp in every bite. Well, maybe this one has no shrimp. Let's see. Oh, yep, see, shrimp in every bite. Shrimp fried rice. Thanks for watching. Thanks for viewing. You know? You're gonna see the end product in another video. After you watch this video, you're gonna watch the video after, and you'll see what I pair it with. But there you have it. Shrimp fried rice. Almost look restaurant quality to me. Thanks for watching. Lucian in the kitchen. Lucian in the kitchen. Hey, hey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you learned something. I hope you learned something. It's COVID. You gotta cook at home. You know, feed ourselves. Lucian in the kitchen. We're out.